Today I am going to start new topic, that is Paralympics. Okay, so first you tell me that what is mean by physical disability? Physical disability is a physical condition that affects a person's physical capacity or stamina. Okay, so now come to the first topic, that is Paralympic sports for the disabled. Many humans are born with disability, while some person become disabled due to the accidents in life. Paralympics is sports for such people. Okay, disability does not mean to become completely depend on others. It carries them forward in life in any field, including sports. Such type of games is called Paralympics. Understood? Now come to the second topic, that is origin of the Special Olympics. Ludwig Goodman is a doctor who organized a sports for his own patients who were disabled in 1948. This sports he helped his patients in building physical strength and self-respect. Okay, now come to the next topic, that is the present day Paralympics. Rio Paralympics shift who are disabled to able ability in sports like cycling, swimming, volleyball, etc. So now come to the outstanding Paralympics. So in outstanding there is first Mariyappan Thangavell. Okay, Mariyappan disabled in his right leg when he was run over by a drunken bus driver and the bus crushed his leg below the knee. Mariyappan participate in the high jump. Okay, and he was honored with Padma Shri Award and Arjuna Award. Okay, so first outstanding Paralympic is Mariyappan Thangavell and second is Deepa Malik. Deepa Malik paralyzed from her chest below due to the treatment she took for spinal tumor, and she participate in shot put, and she won a silver medal in shot put also, and she was awarded the Arjuna Award. Okay, now come to the third, Devendra Jhajaria. So when he in his tender age of 8 years, he touched a live electric cable while climbing a tree. The doctors were able to save the boy, but they had to cut his left hand. For saving his life, Devendra's life, doctor had to cut his left hand. Okay, and he was very talented in javelin throwing. Okay, so students, your first outstanding Paralympic is Mariyappan Thangavell, and second one is Deepa Malik, and third one is Devendra Jhajaria. Now come to the next topic, that is changes brought about by the Paralympic. So what change brought? So first change is change the way people thinking about the disabled person. Way of thinking is come to the change, and second is institute and academies change the structures of sports building to move easily. Okay, now third is give facilities like special toilets, sitting area and walking path. So these all are the changes brought by the Paralympics. Okay, so students, with this we come to the end of this lesson, and I hope you all have understood it. Thank you.